Eitaola, Dumilane Tom, let's say this is your guy, Mosimanegape Thabeng. I'm here to show some kind of acting. The reason why I came here is for two things. One, to act, to show acting as therapy. Two, to improve my acting skills. And therefore, each and everyone around the world to vote for me and make my dream come true. Thank you. Good morning, this is Gemstone TV News, and here are the headlines. Alcoholism is a bad teacher. 2, the zebras. And 3, the zebras. And here the news in depth. Alcoholism has been found as some of the distracting substance in the whole world. And here are the action news. Africa, listen to myself. I have been drinking alcohol, smoking marijuana, and I have learned a lot from these things, Africa. I am giving this advice to you, especially the youth, that my condition that I have been given diagnosed at Princess Marina Hospital. They told me that I am having a stroke. I want to advise all the youth of Botswana, of Africa, to drink responsibly. And another news, our entertainment, superstitious entertainment producer, DHA, showed enough when he was acting at the Gemstone activities held in Gaborone. And this is the action line. I turned myself into myself and become Jesus. I turned myself into myself and become the Gemstoners. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. And in another news, the sports news, the zebras have been coming back from the AFCON. What are you saying about it? Can you say a little bit about it, Tanzania? Yeah, zebras. You mean six packs, half dozen. Class, what are you saying about the previous? Yes, in spite of the criticism that you have borne, the support, the adequate support that you've been given, this is what I can see. I am the zebras. We are the zebras. And everybody is the zebras. The world is the zebras. We can and we will the zebras. And in another news, the headlines continues. The super actor John Smith has been found giving a little bit of singing, and the song goes on like this. An empty street, an empty house, a hole inside my heart. I'm all alone, the rooms are getting smaller. Oh no, and oh my love, looking on forever, reaching for the love that seems so far. And so I say a little prayer and hope my dreams will take me there, where the And that is the end of our news. Ladies and gentlemen, let us meet on the next coming episode of Gemstone News. Goodbye.